back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. Isn't she gorgeous? If you want to know more details about this unit, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is KES Wigs. Kind of sounds like KES. It's kind of cool. I'm feeling it. I'm here for it. This wig is so beautiful, you guys. I have installed a 24-inch 13x4, and this is a true 13x4 lace. It's all the way 13x4, you guys. You need to get into it. I did bleach the knots on this unit. So yeah, I let this wig air dry and then I, straightened her. So the hairline on this unit comes really nice. Like, it doesn't look crazy. It looks very natural. So I believe we won't have to pluck it, which is a win-win for me. You guys, this is a very beautiful 13x4 lace front wig. This wig is really good. The hairline comes all the way down to there, so we're going to have to cut into that. So I advise you when you're doing this part to take your time, because once you cut that lace, you can't go back. So always cut a little bit less. I've learned this the hard way many times. This lace is very, very thin, so yeah, be careful when you're cutting this. Really take your time, like I mentioned earlier. So for the styling process, I'm definitely going to be leaving this wig straight, but I'm going to show you guys before, I go, like, what it looks like curled, because it definitely is a beautiful wig, and I'm sure the texture can curl. Okay, let's start sticking this wig down, or else we're going to be here all day, which I don't have the time for. I'm going to be using the Wonder Lace. I knew it was going to be something special, but holy smokes, I didn't think it was going to be this special. I can't see the lace at all. So the thinner the lace, the more realistic it's going to look. So that's why this lace is looking so good and melted, because it is a thinner lace. I'm going to do my little trick with my little lid. Oh, this lid has a crack. It's going to spill. Guys, how I can tell if I need to put more spray, the lace will show through. So when the lace doesn't have any glue or spray on it, it's going to show like whitish. But then when you have the lace spray on it and it's melted, it won't show anything. It'll be like true HD. So wherever I'm seeing like the lighter colors in the lace, I know I need to go back in and put more spray there. So that's what I'm doing with the end of the comb. So remember when I was saying like don't cut too much off around the ear? So this is the moment where we go in and we remove the extra pieces that we don't need now. And basically I'm just going over any weak points where I can see the lace, the color where it should not be. So guys, if you live in Canada and you want to get these little straps, you can get them at Dollarama. They are actually like in the hardware section, like the section where you can find like measuring tapes and like paint stuff. They come looking like this. They have a Velcro and they're just as good as any of the other like lace taming, I don't know what you call these, straps, but yeah, I got this from the Dollarama. Get a sharp comb, run it zigzag to lift up that glue and spray. Just run it across the hairline. It's just gonna remove it. See how it lifts up without taking the wig up with it? So we're gonna use the spray for the sideburns. Really good to invest in your tools. You know, tools are made to make your life more simple. Like, since I've had it, I've used it so much. Are they even the same? And I think when you do, you know, less baby hairs, it just looks more natural, you know? And that's what we're going for, just a really natural looking install. So I want to show you guys that the hair, well, I don't know if it will, but I want to curl it and see with the curling one. I don't think I want to curl this wig, so we just want to see how it holds a curl, if it holds a curl. Now it is a fresh wash, so the hair is going to be a little bit more stubborn usually. Okay, so yeah, it's really straight, so we need to hold it a little bit longer. So that's what the curl looks like. Beautiful. This hair is so beautiful, you guys. It's so silky. It's so smooth. I love Indian hair. What I really like about this wig is the tracks are double drawn. Now I'm just becoming like anal about this install. I thought I was recording, but I don't know what happened. I don't know where it stopped recording, so I literally don't know if I'm redoing this footage or not. But I did clean up this hairline with just some powder, just like this. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's some flyaways as I'm trying to style it. But we just applied some lace mousse just to the side, the perimeter of the wig, so you know we can blend in the lace. Right around where I put the glue, why do I keep saying that? Right around where I put the spray, it was looking a little light, so I wanted to hide that with some tint, so that's what I used, some lace tint. And be careful with this, a little bit goes a long way, you don't need a lot. If you guys want really good straight hair, this is that company. It's beautiful. And Indian hair is where it's at. It's like celebrity hair. This is what the celebrities are wearing. I'm telling you. It's beautiful hair. And you guys, this hair is actually affordable. Yet you're getting really good quality Indian hair, which you cannot get. You can't get it anywhere else. Like, I don't understand how they figured it out to have such good quality, yet making it so affordable. I believe this wig is like $300 something, which, considering how beautiful it is and how long it is, that's a steal of a deal. And like the lace, everything is just perfectly constructed. You don't have to pluck this unit. It comes looking beautiful. Like it's just perfect. Look at this, guys. This hair is some very healthy hair. I want you guys to see the ends of it. Look at this. Look at the bounce. I find when you want your wig to look the most natural, you should push that hair away from your face. Don't just leave it down because it just shows like, it looks like a closure. But when you push that hair away and then you spray some hairspray, it just looks the most natural. So that's what we like to do over here. That's just something that I've started doing recently that really works for me. This wig is premium virgin hair. The hair comes from one donor. It is silky smooth. It's beautiful, nice natural luster. It's a good density. It also is double drawn. There's so many things about this wig, you guys, that you need to like get on board with. This is my favorite wig. This is my favorite straight wig ever that I've received. Now, I know I say that all the time because you guys, the companies that I work with are bomb.com and they've been hooking your girl up. But for real this time, this is my new favorite wig. It's beautiful. So it's thick all the way from the root to the ends. Like, look at that. It's not thinning out anywhere and it is bone straight. This is that wig where you move and it just goes right back into place. Without a comb, that's what we're dealing with. Look at that. Beautiful, you guys. You need to check them out. I know what good hair feels like. I've received a lot of wigs in the past year. I've reviewed a lot of wigs, and straight wigs I am very picky about. Straight hair is actually my favorite hair texture to wear. When it comes to like a good straight wig, it takes a lot for me to be impressed per se. And I've had some really good hair in the past, but this one in particular is definitely my favorite. Look at the quality. I want to really get up close so you guys can see how beautiful this wig is. Look at the ends. So healthy. This wig I will definitely hands down recommend to you guys. Take that for what it is, you guys. I'm super impressed with this wig. I love it so much. Can you tell? I can't stop raving about it. It's so beautiful. You guys definitely need to check them out. And there's a coupon code. Get 15% off your first order. And if you use my coupon code, it's kind of confusing. Listen carefully. I'm going to put it here. It's KES. It's all capitals. It's KES. KEZ, and then you'll get an extra 5% off your order. If you can combine the two, the 15% and this, my personal discount code, you can save 20%. Don't quote me, I don't know for sure if that's how it works, but it says an extra. But if that's the case, then that's litty lit. Oh my God, you guys, run over there. Don't walk, run. Get your laptop, get your phone, check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to this company in the description box for you guys. It's quality and it's affordable. I love it. 10 out of 10, I recommend. This wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved, hands down. I gotta run, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are on this unit. How did I do? All that good stuff. I'll talk to you guys soon in another video. Bye.